Imagine yourself in this Kia 2018 Forte LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 2.0L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage, clock and dash, external temperature display and front seat type, bucket. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.